God said, I'm restoring the years you lost, my friend. Listen to me carefully today, because what I'm about to say carries the weight of heaven behind it. And it is meant for the part of you that has been silently grieving time, mourning seasons that slipped through your fingers, and wondering if the years you lost can ever be redeemed. I want you to hear this not as poetry, not as inspiration, but as divine truth spoken into the deepest parts of your soul. God said, I'm restoring the years you lost. Not the moments, not the memories, not the opportunities alone, the years, the seasons that felt wasted, the periods that felt stolen, the chapters overshadowed by struggle, the time consumed by pain, confusion, heartbreak, fear, survival, and delay. God is bringing restoration to the years you thought were gone forever. You have lived through seasons that took more from you than they gave. Seasons where anxiety robbed you of peace. Seasons where depression robbed you of joy. Seasons where betrayal robbed you of trust. Seasons where disappointment robbed you of hope. Seasons where sickness robbed you of strength. Seasons where grief robbed you of stability. Seasons where confusion robbed you of direction. Seasons where people robbed you of confidence. Seasons where decisions robbed you of time. Seasons where trauma robbed you of freedom. And you carried the weight of those years like a question mark on your spirit, asking God, can anything good come from what I lost? Hear me, yes. It can, because God is not limited by time. He is the redeemer of it. He does not simply replace years, he restores them. He multiplies where you lost. He accelerates where you were delayed. He heals where you were wounded. He rebuilds where you were broken. He revives where you were drained. And he renews where you were diminished. What you thought was lost forever is being returned in ways you never imagined. You may feel like you are behind, but you are not behind. You are being restored. You may feel like you missed your moment, but you did not miss it. God preserved it. You may feel like your life took too many detours, but those detours were construction zones where heaven was reworking your foundation. You may feel like you wasted time on wrong relationships, wrong opportunities, wrong environments. But God is saying, I am restoring the years. Every moment the enemy stole, God is returning with interest. Every season that pain consumed, God is reviving with purpose. Every opportunity that slipped away, God is preparing something better. Every tear that fell, God is turning into testimony. Every delay you faced, God is converting into development. You did not lose time, you were being shaped. Sometimes God allows years to break you so the next years can build you. Sometimes he allows years to humble you so the next years can elevate you. Sometimes he allows years to empty you so the next years can fill you. Sometimes he allows years to isolate you so the next years can position you. Sometimes he allows years to confuse you so the next years can clarify you. Restoration is not simply returning what was lost, it is returning it in greater measure. When God restores, he restores abundantly, unusually, supernaturally, unmistakably. Restoration is multiplication, not replacement. It is compensation, not consolation. It is divine repayment. Why did you lose years? Because purpose required it. Growth required it. Wisdom required it. Strength required it. You had to walk through certain seasons to become who you are becoming. And though it felt like loss, God saw it as preparation. You lost years because you were healing. Healing takes time. You lost years because you were unlearning what hurt you. Unlearning takes time. You lost years because you were developing emotional maturity. Maturity takes time. You lost years because you were discovering your identity. Identity takes time. You lost years because you were breaking generational patterns. Breaking cycles takes time. You lost years because you were rebuilding your confidence. Rebuilding takes time. You lost years because you were growing spiritually. Growth takes time. But now, God is saying, the time you spent growing is about to turn into the time you spend thriving. You are being sowing in tears, and you are about to reap in joy. You have been sowing in sacrifice, and you are about to reap in increase. You have been sowing in endurance, and you are about to reap in purpose. You have been sowing in silence, and you are about to reap in evidence. Restoration begins the moment you accept that your story is not over, that your best years are not behind you, that your purpose is not expired, that your potential is not diminished, that your value is not lost, that your destiny is not delayed beyond recovery. God specializes in restoring time. He restored Job's years with double. He restored Joseph's years with promotion. He restored Ruth's years with redemption. He restored David's years with kingship. He restored Israel's years with inheritance. And now he is restoring yours. God is restoring the years you lost to heartbreak. He is restoring the years you lost to fear. He is restoring the years you lost to staying in places you should have left. He is restoring the years you lost to people who didn't value you. He is restoring the years you lost to opportunities that fell through. He is restoring the years you lost to worrying about things that never happened. He is restoring the years you lost to waiting for others to choose you. He is restoring the years you lost to insecurity that froze you. And he is not returning those years in the same form. He is returning them in better form. The relationships coming will be healthier than the ones that hurt you. The opportunities coming will be safer than the ones that disappointed you. The doors opening will be bigger than the ones that closed. The blessings coming will be deeper than the ones that slipped away. The love coming will be truer than the love that betrayed you. The clarity coming will be stronger than the confusion that drained you. Everything you thought was lost will return better, is stronger, purer, and more aligned with who you are now. And listen, restoration does not mean repeating the past. It means redeeming it. It means God will use the years of pain as fertilizer for the years of purpose. The years of confusion will become the years of clarity. The years of wandering will become the years of direction. The years of loneliness will become the years of divine connection. The years of heartbreak will become the years of emotional maturity. The years of decrease will become the years of overflow. God is rebuilding you in such a way that the next years will not resemble the previous ones. You are not entering a recycle season, you are entering a brand new one. A season where everything aligns. A season where you walk with wisdom. A season where you walk with authority. A season where you walk with discernment. A season where you walk with clarity. A season where your purpose strengthens you instead of depleting you. Some of the years you lost were stolen through spiritual warfare. You battled demons of fear, anxiety, confusion, and distraction that tried to derail your destiny. But God is restoring those years by giving you spiritual authority they couldn't take. You came out wiser. You came out sharper. You came out stronger. You came out more mature. Some of the years you lost were taken by circumstances outside your control. Family responsibilities, sickness, crisis, upheaval, financial difficulty. But God is restoring those years by bringing stability where instability once lived, by bringing abundance where lack once ruled, by bringing peace where chaos once consumed you. Some of the years you lost were taken by your own decisions, choices, driven by pain, fear, immaturity, trauma. But God is restoring those years too. God does not shame you for those years. He redeems them. Your mistakes are not stronger than His mercy. The years you lost to survival mode, He is returning with years of thriving. The years you lost to confusion, He is returning with years of clarity. The years you lost to dysfunctional relationships, He is returning with years of alignment. The years you lost to searching, He is returning with years of purpose. The years you lost to silence, He is returning with years of expression. The years you lost to fear, He is returning with years of courage. This restoration is personal. It is intentional. It is divine. And it is unstoppable. Pray this from your heart, God. Restore the years I lost. Restore my time. Restore my strength. Restore my joy. Restore my identity. Restore my purpose. Restore my relationships. Restore my opportunities. Restore everything that life, people, pain, or fear tried to steal from me. Make the next years greater than the ones behind me. And as you pray these words, something is shifting in the atmosphere around you. The heaviness that made you feel behind is lifting. The shame that made you feel unworthy is breaking. The grief connected to wasted years is dissolving. The anxiety about the future is being replaced with expectation. The fear of starting over is being replaced with confidence. Walk into your next season with the assurance of someone who is not recovering time but reclaiming it. Walk like someone who is catching up to destiny through divine acceleration. Walk like someone who believes restoration is not a concept, it is happening right now. Walk like someone whose story is not defined by loss, but by transformation. Because God said, I'm restoring the years you lost. And when God restores, nothing can remain the same.